Hello friends, welcome to our kitchen. Today we are making cluster beans fry or guar fry. This simple, flavorful dish pairs perfectly with rice or roti and chapati. Take some cluster beans or guar and remove both ends. Wash the cleaned beans in water thoroughly. Heat a pan over medium heat. Add the washed cluster beans to the pan. Add salt and add a pinch of turmeric powder. Pour in enough water to cover the beans. Boil the beans until they are tender. Once boiled, turn off the heat and drain the excess water. In a separate frying pan, heat oil over medium heat. Add the boiled cluster beans to the frying pan. Sprinkle in chili powder and cumin powder. Mix well to coat the beans with the spices. Cook for a few minutes, allowing the beans to fry gently. Flip the beans occasionally to ensure even cooking. Once done, remove from heat and serve hot. Enjoy as a side dish with your meal. Ingredients list is in description. Until next time, happy cooking and happy eating. Bye. Thank you.